Hello, welcome to the third part of the video. So now, I hope you all survived so far. This one will be easy. So this third part will be learning how to use trend to visualize your sensor data. Okay, so without further ado, you just go to the visualization toolbox, and then after that you can just under special control there is a trend graph. So simply drag it in, and you can see over here is asking for task. Okay, so when you drag the trend graph inside, you'll see that automatically Codesys will create a trend recording task over here. Simply choose that as your task to control how often you want to take the data. Okay, and also the recording condition is if you want to only start taking data upon certain condition, you can key in here as well. Okay, so now to control the different variables, to control the variables to display for your trend graph, just simply click add variables and choose the variable that you want to display. So let's just say I have it as a vibration sensor. I want to display my z-axis acceleration. Okay, velocity. Okay, figure out. And then if I want one more variable, I can choose over here. Maybe I want my x-axis velocity. Okay, and I need to fill in the array number. Okay, so you can control the color over here, the different line type, as well as the width of the line, if it's too small or too thick. Okay, maybe I can change it a little bit. Yes, okay. And then next, over here, okay, over here you can also create a warning and like a threshold for your variables over here. Let's just say maybe I have it at maybe 3 and maybe 5. Okay, so and you can also create a description for your variable. So let's just say that I want my vibration, this is my x-axis, okay, velocity. Okay, and you can, if you untick this, yes, it will not show the variable name as well, so it makes the thing cleaner. Okay, so this is how you display your different variables. Okay, now once you're at this page, okay, one more thing you need to do is right click and insert elements. So this allows you to add extra controlling elements. Okay, simply just add everything. It's generally very useful. Okay, over here, and you can just log in. Okay, you can see over here, can see that I have two lines of different color and different thickness. Okay, for the different vibration, you can see I can control the scale at which it's being displayed, 1 minute, 10 minutes, and if I vibrate my sensor, you shall see that there is a slight change in the trending graph, as you can see over here. Okay, let's see. To make a closer view, you can see there is slightly different color for the different region. If it exceeds the warning region, it turns red color. Okay, and Another thing you notice that it actually auto scales together with the maximum value that's appearing on the graph itself. Okay. So this is some of the automatic function it provides you without too much fuss. So this is one of my favorite methods of displaying sensor data, and it also gives you an option of displaying all your sensor data it has logged across the entire day or so, depending on memory. So how do you control how much data it logs or how often it logs? Simply go to the trend recording manager, choose the trend that you are using also. Yes, and there will be this configuration over here. So this will this is where you can configure how many variables you want to look at, how often it's being stored, as well as the storage size. Okay, and how often it measures is all over here. If you want to measure every 10th cycle or run, this is the buffer. There is how much data you want to store in between. Okay, so when you see this every nth cycle, what is it being based on? Okay, so in fact this cycle is actually tied to the task that was created when you were you created this trend. Okay, so let's just say that if I change this to 500 millisecond, okay, and if I go back here, you'll see that the advice, yes, it also updated 500 millisecond. Okay, so these are some of the options that you can choose for your own usage. Okay, and secondly, where is this data being stored? Haha. So okay, so in fact all of this data is being stored in a mini database within the Codesys itself. Okay, so maybe I'll show you. Can see over here. Oh, one more thing you'll notice that you see this is the name for the PLC variable. Sure. And instead if you can change also the if this is too long, you don't like, you can use the description that I showed you just now. Okay, so these are some of the different options I want to highlight to you. And now lastly, where is the data being stored? Okay, so if you simply bring up FileZilla, I'm gonna go dive into the file structure of the PLC. Okay, so type in the IP address of the device. Okay, username is admin, password is admin, port 22. Okay, can go over here to the slash. Okay, and meanwhile, since while we're here, so you can go to the MNT. The Codesys file is actually being stored over here. HMI Codesys deploy PLC, and you can see the data is stored as a SQLite file. Okay, so is it a very simple file for you to configure? Not really. But if you want to back up, it's possible. Drag it out using FileZilla, and it's saved over here in my desktop. Okay, and can simply go to search for SQLite reader, and there's a web app. Okay, you can read. Ta-da! So this is sample of what's the data that's being stored, and you can see over here, in fact, can see that your data is stored in a not so accessible file format, and in fact I think this is the float data being converted to word data before being passed on. Okay, so it doesn't really make sense. So can you use this for data logging? Maybe not, because you need to really process the data afterwards. So another good way is for you to save all the data into a CSV file. Okay. Oh, sorry. CSV file. So how do you do that? Okay, we'll explore in the next video. Bye.